Hello everybody, here are a few tips on how to create a flyer in Microsoft Word. We're gonna select a blank document. We're not gonna use a template, and then we start organizing our document, especially when it comes to layout. I want to reserve some space where I'm gonna insert a title. We're using WordArt, so I'm gonna click enter 2 times, and then I'm gonna go to layout. And when it comes to columns, I'm gonna go to more columns. This is one way of doing it. There are different ways of doing the same thing in Microsoft Word. So I'm gonna choose 2 columns. The number of columns will be 2, and then I want a line in between. And then I don't want to apply it to the whole document. As you can see here, if I do, it will break the whole document to 2 sections. I want to do it from this point forward, meaning from the cursor forward, from this point forward. So I can save the space for title that I don't want to break it to 2 sections, and then I'm going to click OK. For the sake of saving time, I'm going to cheat a little bit, use a function to type some text in there. And that's going to be 5, then enter, and then I have some text. So here I'm gonna go ahead and insert my WordArt. There are different options to choose from, and I'm gonna bring it here. And as you can see, when it's centered, it will show me that green line in between. And then I can type something like Valencia College. Okay. I can make some changes to it as far as the colors go. If I go to shape fill, for example, I can change the shape fill if I wish to do so. I'm not going to do that, but let me click back. Notice that WordArt is an object. So when you insert an object in Microsoft Word, you have a tab that is specific to that object where you can make changes to it. The moment you click outside, that tab is going to disappear. So make sure that whenever you want to make a change to an object, whether it's a picture, it's a word art, or anything, you need to be in that object. You have shape outline and shape effects, and you have some options to choose from here. If you want to pick any of those, you can do that. What I want to do is highlight the text and change it from here. So I can change the color if I wish to do so. Okay, and I can change the outline. For example, I can put the outline around the text to be yellow or any color that I wish, for example black or etc. And then I can also choose different styles from here. Okay, for the if I want to have a shadow on the text, I can do that, or I can use, to be more fancy, I can use the transform, and I can pick any of those here, like for example this one. Okay. If I want to resize it, I can do that and make it smaller, bigger, etc. Move it, etc. Right? If I want to add a what is called drop cap, I go to Insert tab, I highlight the text, and then I go to drop cap. This one here, I'm sorry, and then pick dot, and I can do the same thing for the C. Okay, drop cap, drop, and that's in the text group under the Insert tab. If I want to insert an image, I can click after sidebar, and then I go to Insert Pictures. Either you can insert from your computer or from the web online, and then type Valencia College. Okay. Then I can pick this one, insert. I have an image. I can resize it. I can change the look of it, and if I want to make it better. Okay. And then if I need to wrap text around it, I can choose the wrap from here, layout options, or from here. Click on it. I'm going to use type, and then now I have a text wrapped around it. I can resize it a little bit for my text to look better if I wish to do so, etc. If I want to, I'm going to cut this one. If I want to just part of a picture instead of the whole one, the whole picture, I can go to Google search, can type Valencia College, okay, leave it open, go to images, and let's say I want just this part of the image here. I leave the Google open, go back to my Word document, go to insert, screenshot, screen clipping, this one here, the last one, and then I wait for this one to become like a plus. Pick the part of the picture, and now I have it in my document. Instead of the whole image, I have just part of the image. And then same thing, if I want to wrap the text, I'm going to use now this one here. I have the text wrapped around it. Okay. If I want to add borders to my document, I go to design, I go to borders. I can add a regular border with the thickness that I choose, or I can be more fancy and choose an art border. Okay. And then I'm going to apply to the whole document, click OK. And now I have my borders. As you can see, my title is interfering with the borders. What I can do is click here and then drag it down a little bit, or even resize it if I wish to do so. If I want to change the color of the page, I can do that as well. Okay. That's the college. And now I change the page as well. If I want to add a watermark, which is like the not copy or something, I can do that. Click on watermark and then the not copy. Okay. And then you have a nice flyer with 2 sections, etc. Okay. Those just quick tips on how to create a flyer. There are more things you can add to your document if you wish to do so. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.